Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix missing 1095 AE file reject in TurboTax. If you've tried to file your taxes and received an error about a missing 1095 A form, don't worry, this is a common issue that's easy to resolve. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open TurboTax in your browser. Head over to turbotax.intuit.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials that are associated with the tax return you're working on. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your TurboTax homepage where you can access your current tax return. Now, once your account has fully loaded, you'll want to navigate to the Federal section to address the missing 1095A issue. Look at the left navigation menu on your screen. You'll see several options listed there, and you need to click on the Federal dropdown. This will expand the menu and reveal additional options that relate to your federal tax return. From the expanded menu, hover your cursor over Deductions and Credits. This section is where TurboTax organizes all the various deductions and credits you might qualify for, including those related to marketplace health insurance. Hovering over it will open up another submenu with more specific categories. Within the Deductions and Credits section, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled Marketplace Health Insurance, which is where your 1095-A form information is handled. The 1095-A is the form you receive from the health insurance marketplace if you purchased coverage through it, and it's essential for claiming your premium tax credit. Click on Marketplace Health Insurance to proceed. Once you're in the Marketplace Health Insurance section, you'll notice a review button. If your 1095-A has been rejected or flagged as missing, this is where you'll fix the problem. Click on the review button and TurboTax will guide you through the process of entering or correcting your 1095-A information. You'll be presented with a series of questions and fields to fill in. Simply follow the prompts and fill in the required fields with the information from your 1095-A form. Make sure you have your physical form or digital copy handy so you can enter the details accurately. TurboTax will walk you through each section, asking for things like the coverage start date, monthly premium amounts, and any advance premium tax credit payments you received. Take your time with each field to ensure everything is entered correctly. After you've completed all the required fields, TurboTax will automatically update your return with the corrected information. This should resolve the e-file rejection you were experiencing. The software will recalculate your return to reflect the proper premium tax credit or repayment amount based on your 1095-A. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the missing 1095-A e-file reject in TurboTax. Your return should now be ready to file without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.